Hi guys, this is Liz. The weather yesterday was beautiful, so I took advantage and did some plant shopping. Some of the prices of the plants were fabulously low. There is an ongoing flash sale in one of the stores. For the chef Jeff, I paid only $1.99 instead of $2.49. The Red Dirt brand, I paid only $1.99 per plant. For this size of a container, I paid $6.99. Same as this one. For 6 pieces of the cauliflower seedlings, I paid $2.99. The 4 pieces seedlings, the price was $1.57 only. Gardener's Choice brand, each it was $2.29. Each herb was priced at $2.87. For the dahlia, $3.99, one bulb only. Stella cherry tree, $37.98. And it has 1-year guarantee. My husband wants me to plant the cherry tree. I'm throwing in some mulch. I'm going to remove the netting. Added half cup of triple 13 fertilizer and 1 cup of alfalfa meal to these 2 gallons of compost. Make sure that this thing that is bulging is not covered with dirt, but I'm going to cover it with mulch because the last frost has not passed yet.